Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine, and this machine was tripping the breaker, and you can see why. The heating element is completely broken open. It's probably from overheating, and we replaced the heating element, and the customer had taken this machine apart. I'm assuming they have the screws for the top, because I don't know where they are. And also, anytime you replace the heating element, you want to replace the O-ring on the boiler too, like we did here. And there was another gasket on the top here too, and I didn't see that. So, but we put a new one on there, so that's all that matters. And we also cleaned out the inside of the boiler. It had lots of gunk in it, as they often do. And because all the stuff from inside the heating element goes out, it's like kind of like a little powder. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. We have a triple shot basket on here. So you have a nice shot of espresso. Let me heat up the steam. Okay, so now we're ready to test the steam, now that it's hot. Get nice strong steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please look our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.